In this week's Fresh Produce Market Overview, we see that tomato prices decreased by 35%, while avocado prices decreased with 11% the past week. We also discuss why most prices came under pressure on the market, while expectations are not looking any better for this week as well. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and welcome to this week's AMT Fresh Produce Market Overview. Follow us on YouTube and Facebook where we look at the latest price trends and news in the fresh produce markets of South Africa, but also in the livestock and grain markets. The rand strengthened to 15.80 rand per US dollar due to the recent increase in interest rates, while the Brent crude oil price continued to trade on a higher level at $114 per barrel. As was expected, the major vegetable prices came under pressure due to low demand on the markets last week, and it's unfortunately not looking any better for this week. Potato prices decreased by 10% to 42.34 rand per 10 kg bag, with the Class 1 price also lower on 45.05 rand. Potato prices can decrease further this week, but possibly gain some support next week again. The latest tomato price decreased by 35% to 5.93 rand per kilogram, while the Class 1 price traded low on 6.22 rand. This decrease was due to a 30% decrease in volumes on the markets week on week. Tomato volumes are currently 32% higher than last year at the same time, resulting in the price to trade 38% lower year on year. We are expecting tomato prices to decrease further or to move sideways, with lower demand and higher volumes expected over the next week or so. The carrot price decreased by 16% to 4.01 rand, with the Class 1 price currently on 3.90 rand. We may see a further decrease in the carrot price over the coming weeks due to higher volumes, but especially due to lower demand expected on the markets. The latest onion price stayed on its higher level, trading on 5.33 rand per kilogram, while the average Class 1 price increased to 5.62 rand last week. Onion prices can stay on its current levels despite lower expected demand on the markets again this week. Other vegetable prices traded as follows. Cabbage prices increased to 3.07 rand. Garlic prices decreased to 57.06 rand. Spinach prices decreased to 4.50 rand per kilogram. Sweet potato prices decreased to 2.80 rand per kilogram, while the latest pepper price decreased to 13.01 rand per kilogram, mostly due to all variety prices that decreased as well the past week. This section was brought to you by Nile Marketplace. Nile connects fresh produce buyers and sellers by providing a platform for direct and secure transactions. Their digital solutions aim to solve issues such as price discovery, quality verification, payments, and traceability. Go check out the website now at Nile.ag. Also make sure to contact Andrew and his team at Halfway Toyota for the best prices and service in the country for the Toyota of your choice. When looking at the fruit market, volumes sold on the markets mostly drove prices the past week. We're expecting most prices, with the exception of apples, to decrease again this week due to limited expected demand. The banana price decreased by 9% to 7.43 rand per kilogram, mostly due to a 4% increase in volumes sold, while the Class 1 banana price decreased to 7.97 rand. Apple prices actually increased by 4% to 6.73 rand, mostly due to a 7% lower volumes on the markets. The Class 1 apple price increased to 7.02 rand per kilogram, with a slight increase in prices expected over the coming week. The pear price increased to 6.67 rand per kilogram, with Class 1 pears currently on 6.80 rand. The volumes sold decreased by 15% week on week, hence the higher prices. The orange price decreased to 3.52 rand, which is 8% lower compared to the previous week. Class 1 oranges are currently trading on 3.79 rand per kilogram. Lemon prices decreased to 3.74 rand, with Class 1 lemons also lower on 3.79 rand. The avocado price decreased by 11% last week to 11.90 rand per kilogram, with Class 1 avocados currently trading on 15.25 rand. Avocado prices can also decrease over the coming week. Table grape prices increased by 16% to 20.45 rand, while Class 1 grapes increased to 24.21 rand last week and can remain in an upward trend over the coming few months. The latest pineapple price decreased to 6.82 rand per kilogram. Make sure to contact Halfway Toyota for the best prices and finance service in the country for the Toyota of your choice. This broadcast was made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag and Halfway Toyota. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and thank you for watching.